Can no-code ETL play a major role in harnessing the power of data? According to Forrester 2022, survey most users get data insights, generally in weeks or months. So what is the root cause? Gartner said 85% of organizations are unable to harness the power of data. Why are we struggling? Even though there are many BI and ETL tools in the market, we are struggling because any AI/ML or analytics project involves around 65% of data engineering, which required tons of coding by highly skilled IT developers to make data ready for analytics. So what is the solution? Solution is data engineering without coding hassles. Do we have such a product in the market to make data engineering easy? Yes. Introducing Conversatix ETL, an AI-driven no-code ETL product. Want to know more about Conversatix ETL? Book a demo now.